In the last video I derived equation of the tangent plane to the sphere. Suppose equation of the sphere is in the standard form. What is the equation of the tangent plane? X1, y1, z1 plus u into x plus x1 plus v into y plus y1 plus w into z plus z1 plus d is equal to 0. This is the equation of the tangent plane. And also I solved some problems. In continuation of that, take these problems. I solve some more examples today. Show that the plane 2x, show that the plane, that is over. Next problem is find the equation of the sphere. I consider this problem. Find the equation of the sphere which touches the sphere x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x minus 6y plus 1 is equal to 0, which touch the sphere at the point. Find the equation of the sphere which touch the sphere at the point 1, 2, minus 2, 1, 2, minus 2 and pass through origin. Type of example is important here. Find the equation of the sphere which touches this sphere at the point 1, 2, minus 2 and pass through origin. So the problem is like this. This is the given sphere. Suppose this is the point on that sphere. Now you require to find out the equation of the sphere which touches this sphere at the point and also pass through origin. Suppose this is the origin. Pass through origin. For now, what is the required equation here? What is the required sphere? We require this sphere which touches the given sphere at the point 1, 2, minus 2 and also pass through origin. For that, we use that concept that we have already used. What is that concept? Equation of the sphere passing through the circle. Equation of the sphere passing through the circle. Because this, if we find out tangent plane at this point, suppose we find out 1, 2, minus 2 is the point of contact, point on the sphere. This is the given sphere and this is the point. If we find out a tangent plane to this sphere, then we know that a sphere and a plane taken together represent always a circle. But in this case, of course, it is a point circle. You have idea about point circle. What is a point circle? See, equation of the sphere and plane taken together is always a circle. And in this case, since this plane is a tangent plane and it touches this sphere at only one point, that point is a point circle. Means center is this and radius is 0. Radius is 0. Now first we find out the tangent plane therefore, and we obtain equation for this. Then equation of the circle passing through this point is equation of the sphere plus k times tangent plane. That represent equation of the sphere passing through the given circle. That type of problem I have already solved. So what is the problem here? Equation of the tangent plane. Equation of the tangent plane to the sphere 1 at the point 1, 2, minus 2 is, how to write the equation of the tangent plane? X into x1 1, y into y1 2, y1 is 2, z into z1 plus u into x plus x1. What is u? 1, because 2u is x here. U is 1 into x plus 1 plus 2v. This is 2v. Therefore v is minus 3. Y plus y1. Y1 is this. Plus, what is z? That is the w, 0. Plus d. This is equation of the tangent plane. So, what is that? 2x minus y minus 2z constant term. 1 minus 1 plus 1, 2 minus 4 is 0. Am I correct here? What is the equation of the tangent plane? 2x minus y minus 2z minus 4 is 0. Take this as 2. This is 1. Therefore, equation of the sphere passing through 1 2 minus 2 is x square y square z square plus 2x minus 6y plus 1 plus k times 2x minus y minus 2z minus 4 is 0. Take this as 3. This we have already used. What is that? Equation of the sphere passing through the circle. Now, equation of the sphere and the plane, these two taken together represent a circle. Of course, in this case, circle is point circle. And we have used equation of the sphere passing through the circle here. And if we find out k, that becomes the sphere passing through that point. How do you find k? For that it is given. Since 3 passes through origin, substitute 0 0 here. From 3 1 plus k into minus 4 is 0. You have to substitute x y z 0 because origin 0 0 0. X y z 0. So what do you get? K is equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, from 3 substitute k is equal to 1 by 4. From 3 x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x minus 6y plus 1 plus 1 by 4 into 2x minus y minus 2z minus 4 is equal to 0. This is equation of the sphere. What is that sphere? It passes to the point 1 2 minus 2 and 1 2 minus 2 and also origin. So simplifying we get 4 into x square plus y square plus z square plus 8x 2x plus 10x minus 24 minus y minus 25 minus 2z. What is the constant term? Constant term is not there because plus 4 minus 4. Why constant term is not there? Any curve which if passed through origin, then there will be no constant term. Therefore, this is the equation of the required sphere. What is this? 4 into x square plus y square plus z square 10x minus 25y minus 2z is 0. I think the concept is clear. Type of example is important. We have used here equation of the sphere passing through the circle, but that circle was point circle. I leave some 2 problems or 3 problems as exercise. You try that. Next problem is find the equation of the sphere. Find the equation of the tangent planes. Next problem. Find the equations of the tangent planes. 2 planes here. Tangent planes to the sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus 4x plus 2y minus 6z plus 5 is equal to 0 parallel to 2x 2y minus z is 0. Find the equation of the tangent planes parallel to this plane. You will see again a different type of problem. First I write equation of this plane parallel to this. Equation of the plane parallel to 2x plus 2y minus z is equal to 0 is 2x plus 2y minus z plus k is equal to 0. Take this as 1. Now you have to find out k. Sorry. How do you find out k? It is given. It must be tangent plane. We have first written here equation of the plane parallel to this plus k is 0. Now one is tangent plane to 2. I take this as 2, sphere 2. Therefore, what you get? Perpendicular distance of the plane from the center from the center of the sphere is equal to radius of the sphere. Radius of the sphere. Now we use condition of tangency. When that plane, any plane becomes tangent plane, if the perpendicular distance of center of the sphere to the plane is equal to radius of the sphere. Now, what is the perpendicular distance of the center? We require center of the sphere. Center of the sphere is minus u minus v. 2v is 2 here, and minus w is 3. Radius of the sphere is, what is the formula for center? Minus u minus v minus w. I have solved many number of problems on this. U, 2u, 2v, 2w, but center is minus u minus v minus w. What is the radius? Square root of u square, v square, w square minus d. So it is 3. Therefore, perpendicular distance of center of the sphere from the plane. So it is therefore mod of 2 into 2 plus 2 into minus 1 minus 3 plus k 2 into 2 into minus 1 minus of minus 3 plus k upon square root of, this is the formula, 4 plus 1 is equal to 3. Therefore, what is this? 4 mod of minus 1 plus k is equal to 9. 3 into 3. Minus 1 plus k is plus or minus 9. Therefore, what is k? Two values of k are there. I explain why there are two values. K is plus 9 plus 1 10, minus 9 plus 1 is minus 8. And if you substitute k here, you will get two planes which are parallel to the given plane and tangents to the given sphere. Why there are two equations? Because this is one tangent plane, another tangent plane is parallel to this. Therefore, we have two parallel planes parallel to the given sphere, which are tangents to the sphere. So, what are the equations? Plus 10 and 2x plus 2y minus z minus 8 is equal to 0 are the two planes which are tangents to the given sphere and also parallel to the given plane. Next, I solve one more problem here, and one topic is left in sphere, that is, in sphere orthogonal spheres is left, and I think it is better to solve this problem. Find the equation of the sphere which pass through the circle x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 5 and x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 3 and touch the plane 4x plus 3y is equal to 15. See the problem. What is the problem? Find the equation of the sphere which pass through this circle. Just today's first problem was that one, passing through this circle. Correct? A sphere passing through this circle. And to find k, it is given that parallel to this plane. Find the equation of the sphere which pass through this circle and touch the plane. Touch this plane. This is the tangent plane. What is the required equation? Required equation is x square plus y square plus z square minus 5 plus k times x plus 2y plus 3z minus 3 is equal to 0. I take this as 1. Now, how do you find out k? One is one touches the plane 4x plus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. Therefore, take this as 2. Perpendicular distance of the center of the sphere 1 from the plane 2 is equal to radius of the sphere. When a plane touches the sphere, a perpendicular distance of the center of the sphere to the plane is equal to radius of the sphere. Using that, you have to find out k. I think here also you may get two values of k. First, you have to write the center of this. How to write center of this? 2u is k, 2v is 2k, 2w is 3k, d is minus 3k. So what is the center? Center is minus u minus v minus w. So center is minus k by 2 minus k minus 3k by 2. This is center of the sphere. What is the radius? Radius is square root of u square v square w square minus d. And you continue here, apply that formula. It is the center. Therefore, perpendicular distance of the center is, what is the equation of the plane? 4x, what is the plane? 4x plus 3y is 15. Therefore, 4 into x minus k by 2 plus 3 into y minus k minus 15 mod divided by root of 4 square plus 3 square. This is the perpendicular distance of the center of the sphere to the plane is equal to radius. What is the radius? Square root of u square. U square is k square by 4 v square w square minus d. What is d? D is minus 5 minus 3k. So plus 5 plus 3k. Plus 5 plus 3k. And it is now k. You have to find out k from this and substitute in that equation 1. You will get the equation of this pair. How do you simplify this? To simplify, if you simplify this, you will get a quadratic equation. I write here. What is that quadratic equation? 5k square minus 6k minus 8 is 0. You will get this equation. Simplifying. And k is therefore 2 and minus 4 by 5. Solving this. And substitute that k is 2 and minus 4 by 5 in this equation. What is that equation? X square plus y square plus z square minus 5 k times x plus 2y plus 3z minus 3 is equal to 0. These values of k. First equation, second equation. You will get equation of the sphere which pass through the circle and touch the plane. 4x, what is the plane? Plane is x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 3. I think all have followed this example, and I leave some calculation as exercise here. You calculate. I have taken final answer here. This is quadratic equation in k. Two values of k. Substituting, you will get equation of the sphere. Here we have two spheres. I continue the remaining thing in the next video. I consider maybe the next concept, orthogonal spheres. For that we require angle between two spheres. First we have to define what is the angle between the two spheres. Then derivation, condition for two spheres to intersect orthogonally, and some problems on that topic. That is, next topic is orthogonal spheres. Condition for two spheres to intersect orthogonally. Now I consider that in the next video Okay, thank you.